go. There you go. There we go. All right, let's go and have some fun. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm out. First day of vacation, got 10 days off. And I'm about to go and have a good time, guys. So this is what I look like in this little 8-foot boat. 240 pounds. And it holds me up good off the waters. Probably about 12 inches off the waters here. It's stable. So you can stand up in this boat. I mean, it's not a problem at all. And it's a good little boat. So you guys, if y'all interested in getting one, I give it a grade A. I have no complaints, and I'm a big guy, and they get the job done. All right, so what we're gonna do, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started here. It's gonna be some high winds today, and I didn't bring the anchor, so I'm gonna have to make it work until the wind get too high, and then we'll go somewhere else and do some bank fishing. Or I want to fish all this week and next week, all this weekend and next weekend, and I think the wind's supposed to be high. Some days like 20 miles per hour, so we'll see what happens, but let's get it started. I hope y'all having a great Friday. Hope y'all like the video. Hope I get some content for you. And we're gonna see what happens. We're gonna see if this fall pattern has started out here on the Irving Canals. Probably gonna head over there, that 5 foot of water off that rock structure that I fished last time. This is like 7 foot of water, so I'm just trying something a little deeper. There we go. First one today, a keeper. First one today, a keeper. A good one too. About 11 and a half inch crappie. For sure. Went right down there and got him with the bluegrass. So the first fish of the day is on the bluegrass. And guys, that for sure is 11 and a half inch crappie. That might even be 12. So guys, right here is 11 inches and right here is 12. And this fish can't even fit in there. It's about right under 12 inches, guys. It's a big crappie. Big crappie. There you go. First fish of the day. Right about a 12 inch crappie. The weather's getting better, so I don't need ice right now. Throw them in the cooler. Let's see if we can get us another one. See if I can get anything right in here. Sometimes they be on this side too. It's a rock structure on this side too. If they there. When it's minimal, boy, you catch them all over this place. But they seem to be right where that rock structure at, because I missed a couple of them. I didn't get it on film, but I missed a couple of them too. There we go. See what I mean? It's not a keeper though, but that's where they at, right off that rock structure down there, hiding out of this wind. This is about a 7 inch crappie here, guys. No need to measure it. Hey, I don't even know if it's 7. There you go. Let's get right back over there. I might stay right here then, fight the wind in. See if I can get me something. crappie. I don't know what you're doing over there, but hey, I don't want you. I don't want you. Here we go. Got something right there. That's a crappie. That's a keeper. Dragging that grub. That's a keep. That is a keep. This was about a 10 and a half, well, about a 10. We'll measure and see. Right here. Okay, all right. If it's not, then it's right under 10. Actually, you guys, that is right under 10. It's not a keeper. I didn't get it on film, but it's about an 11.5-inch crappie, you guys, easily. Easily. Same size probably the other crappie. It barely can't fit in here. And this right here is 12 inches, so it's right up under that. So all right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna have to get out the water. There's nothing I can do with this wind, man. They ain't blowing me all over the place. All over the place. One time I thought I was gonna see white caps. But all right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm on the lake. I got Suge with me. He's loaded up. He's about to come over. You guys can see he's over there loading up. Gentlemen out here, that's one of my followers. They're gonna get out here and fish. The wind is crazy high, guys. So I got my anchor today. Yesterday I tried to fish and caught a few, but not enough to make a video. But I got my anchor today. I didn't have my anchor yesterday, so my anchor down, and we got minnows, and we're gonna go and catch us some crappies. Right off the bottom. Right off the bottom. It might be right off the bottom. Another little bitty one. Guys, I think I done got me some little bitty crappies here. I think I done got in some babies. But the big ones might show up. So what I'm doing, guys, is really just tipping the minnow with a jig. That's when I started catching them, actually, when I did that. Big slab. What would they be? I may have to go to the other side. And right here. Ooh, I got one. Ooh, he bent that pole. That was a big fish right there, you guys. That wasn't no small. Oh yeah, he's still on there. That wasn't no small. That wasn't no small crappie there. That pole bent. It's probably the honest one I'm gonna stay at. Yeah, that pole was bending. It's probably what I'm gonna stay at though, honestly. It's a little bit wind. They should be all around this stuff, man. I got bites over here. Right, I'm probably in the tree brush. Yeah. And this brush come all out here. Got him, got him. Oh, Nelly. There we go. Keep. They here, bro. I done missed a whole bunch of bites. I'm telling you. That's some hard tugs. Ooh, that is a slab. That's a that's a man right there. That's a man right there. I ain't going. Hey, I'm gonna be at this spot till I leave. YouTube, that is a man. I'm out here with Suge like, look, he grabbing the phone. He like, you know, once you see way, I gotta drop out there quick. And we on these minutes, you guys. So we're gonna fish this brush pile right here. It's brush all out here, honestly, but god dang, enough talking right there. Enough talking right there, bro. This my little hidden gem right here, man. I love this little area. But once it's not windy, I'm gonna show you all of it, man. I want you to see the spillway. Yep. This is where they be. Also, they be right here too, bro. But it's just too windy on that side. You see that brush right there that come out. That all that brush. You come out about like 10 feet from it and drop down it, and it's about the same depth, by 8-10 feet. They right there too. That's a weed line. On mine, yeah. No, you talking about on the slip bobber? Yeah, I do. Yeah. Yeah. Got him. Oh man. Oh, I got a cat. There must be a catfish or a bass. God. There gotta be a catfish. Oh, my drag ain't set right. Or maybe. No, ain't no crappie. Ain't no. Yep. Oh, tell my cat. He going home till you get an A2 for biting. God dang it. That's a pretty joker too, boy. Nice healthy one. Not you going home today, brother. I'm looking for crappies, but you going home today? He kinda tried to make some noise, didn't he? Yeah, joker pulling. Pretty old China cat. And I wasn't even deep. Well, I mean, I'm about 6 feet probably. Oh, he hit and let it go. Oh, I barely had you, bro. There you go, YouTube. I got me old China cat. There you go. He's going to the house, you guys. He's going to the house. They put him in the bucket. Where he supposed to go. They put him in the bucket like Richard Jean say. What's the name of it? Okay. Yeah. Sometimes be like that, man. Ooh. This might be a good one right here, bro. Ooh. Conversating in the kitchen. Bro, I'm on that bottom, bro. You hear me? That's a keeper. I'm on that bottom. I'm way down there. I'm talking about way down there. Yes, sir. Look at that belly, man. Come on now. Come on, y'all. Let's go. Yeah, look at that big old fat belly. All right, guys. There we go. Look at that belly, guys. They feeding, boy. Belly about to bust. It's so fat. Ooh, yes, sir. All right. Get in there with that catfish. I'm starting to stack up. Yeah, man.
Like you said, they closed it down. They wasn't. I guess somebody just started splitting those places.
I see you, bro. What you got, a crappie or a turtle? That's a crappie, ain't it? Keeper. Oh man, we about to have some fun. I saw when it had went under and came back up. No, you're right on it. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Fish on. Oh, little baby. Oh, this joker ate that whole minnow. This little joker put that whole minnow in his mouth.
Hey, that's a good sound.
I know. Put that whole minnow. Give me his mouth. I need a big one. I know.
Oh, I see it. I see it down there.
Yep. Got another one.
Oh, yeah. We may not even need to go to the field.
They gotta get bigger than this though. They gotta get bigger than this. Come on, y'all. Don't act right for me now. Don't be. We ain't come down here for these. There you go, you two. Everything gone. Got one. Oh, I got you a bass, bro. Nice one too. Nice one. First bass by the spillway, you guys. I thought he got off. There you go. 14-inch bass. Yeah, I be getting mine up in there, close to that joker. And see, your truck moves so fast, you can kind of work that. With that water falling in, you drop that minnow right in that area. All right. Yeah, so yeah, you can control yours real good. So that joker will shoot on it eventually. You want me to just toss it to you? Yeah. Okay. All right. Let me, I think I was probably about 5 feet. Yeah. Got a little crappie. That's a good sign though. Big old crappie. Oh, yes indeed. Woo, man. I just had my jig mill in the water. That's it, guys. Huh? Now on the wall, yeah. Guys, look at this slab here, guys. There you go, guys. Bam. YouTube, man, we done got off the water. My buddy Suge here. So we did all right. We didn't do all right. It was tough fishing, but we did catch something. But we're gonna try Monday. You're gonna come out fish with me Monday. We're gonna try Providence Village. So I'm gonna show you a couple fish. I'm gonna give them right quick. Yeah, it was tough today. But you enjoyed yourself, huh, bro?
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Ooh, that lamb one was a monster. Look at that. I ain't realize how big that thing was.
I knew it would be.
That's a good one. Actually, shoot. Most of them are big. You can have that one. You got the little your fish. You can have that big one there. Ooh, look at that, you two. Come on. And then you can. Actually, all of them are pretty big. So that's the last one I caught, right?
Yeah,
Look at this one. Look at that one. I caught that one on the brush pile. They frozen because I got those ice things in there, ice packs. I'll be buying. Oh, you good now?
Yeah.
And then I got me a. You want that catfish?
Yeah.
Yeah. I ain't gonna mess with that catfish. I got three crappies in here and a warmouth. Oh, you really got dealing that on you. There you go, guys. And then I got one. I got 1, 2, 3, and a warmouth. I'm gonna bag my truck down. Okay. There we go, man. You got the 10-footer and I got the 8-footer. Now this is the hard pulling this baby up and getting up out of here. I'm gonna holler at y'all on Monday.